And Buster's just going nuts because something's itching him. Would you hurry up and take the picture? It's a perfect picture.
I'm videotaping this. Tickle, tickle. Hey, Buster. He's such a happy kid.
Here.
What's he doing? He's running.
It's okay. What's Buster got? A ball? Look what Buster has.
Hi, Cameron. I see all our kids.